Hey y'all, good morning, happy Tuesday. Yes, today is Tuesday. Did not vlog yesterday, but that's okay because I'm going to be vlogging for the rest of the week. Right now, y'all, I'm just sitting here really debating if I'm gonna record a video or not. Like, I'm really not in the mood to record, but I kind of need to because I need a video to go up tomorrow and Friday, and I kind of need the bulk record because next week, next Friday, I'm leaving to go on vacation, so I need content to upload. So I'm going to have to fight through this little funk I'm in. I already fixed my hair. I just did this little bun. I've been trying to just like refrain from kind of wearing the wigs right now because I am about to do some type of protective style in my hair for my vacation. So yeah, instead of going to get my hair braided back down, I just been wearing buns. So I just need to take a few minutes, which I've been doing this all day, trying to watch videos, because most of the time if I watch videos of the video I'm about to record, it can kind of make me excited and ready to record, but it's not really working today. So yeah, I'm just take a few more minutes and get out this little funk and start recording, because really I don't really have an option. I need to record. So yeah, I'll check back in a little bit. Just wanted to check in, tell y'all good morning, and let y'all know what was going on. Y'all, so today was not a good recording day at all. I tried to record two videos. One was the makeup look. I ended up just stopping because I was not feeling it at all. And then the second one was a perfume collection. I recorded the whole video, and then I went to try to start editing since I wanted to have it up by tomorrow. And all you can hear in the video is static. You can't even hear me talking. It's just literally static. So basically did my makeup for nothing, recorded for nothing, like. And then I was thinking, oh, maybe I can do like a voiceover, but who does voiceovers on perfume collection videos? So I'm done. It's a nasty day today. It's raining, it's gloomy, it's just nasty. So I'm about to take my makeup off and figure out what I'm going to eat and just chill and watch TV. So I'll probably see y'all a little bit later. If not, I will see y'all tomorrow, because I'm just done with today. I'm literally freaking done with today. Y'all, I literally look like a bum. Like, I wonder if I put these glasses on, will I look better? Let me see. Yeah, we might have to do the glasses. Y'all, I'm just so ready to go on my trip because your girl has been looking like a mess. And it's just because it's for me to set my hair down, which I am going to have to wash my hair and do something to it, because I have some freaking wig reviews I have to do for these companies, because I hadn't did it, because y'all know the whole virus situation was going on in China. So with that going on, you know, they weren't communicating with anyone because they was, I guess, closed down. So I'm like, I ain't finna waste my time doing these videos if I'm not getting my coin. So I didn't do the videos until they hit me back up, and they just emailed me like, hey, you know, what's up? So I need to get those videos done. So I'm gonna have to wash my hair and put some braids in so I can do those videos. But I'm going to be doing some faux locks in my hair. I bought the stuff yesterday. I've never done this before, but that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I want them real long, and I want them kind of, why are y'all turning like that? Stop turning. I want them kind of chunky too. So I definitely think that I can achieve the look I'm going for. It's so hot today and so pretty today, which is really surprising to me because for the last few days it had been rainy and super cold. So I am so happy to see the sun decided to pop out. Right now I'm headed to the why do y'all keep turning? What the hell is going on? Right now I'm headed to the post office. I have to pick up some hair that a company sent. And then I'm gonna stop by a few stores because I still need a few more things for my trip. I need some sandal with slides. So hopefully I can find some. Then just like some little knickknacks, nothing too major. So hopefully I can find everything I'm looking for. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. And I will see y'all. Oh, I could have went on this damn phone. I'll see y'all when we get to our first destination. So I just left Diddy's and City Trends. They were like right next to each other, and I was able to find me and Kiara a few pair of slides because we're going somewhere tropical. So you don't really. Well, I always got my feet on the damn brake. All we really need is like flip flops. So I got me. Let me show y'all. Just regular pairs like this, but they're still, you know, cute. This pair is super cute. These are Kiara's. I really like these, but I couldn't fit them because I have fat feet, and yeah. And then I found some accessories surprisingly in City Trends too, because y'all know City Trends can be a little ratchet, but they have a few cute things. So I found these little bracelets. I may wear some like on my ankles as anklets too, but they're really pretty. They're like iridescent, super cute. And these was only $1.50, so I got 2 packs. Then I found these really cute dainty earrings. They have like rhinestones on the sides. They're super cute. Then I found these. These are, I don't know, I just have to see how they look, but they was only $2. So I just got them just in case they do be cute, because I have this lime green dress that I'm gonna wear. And then these are really cute too. They're just like if I wear them to dinner when we dressing up one night, this would be really cute. And then let me put this stuff back. From Diddy's, I found me. I went to Diddy's first, so I had picked up. These black flip flops for me because I really needed some black flip flops, and I was just going to settle for these. These are just regular. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these or not, since I found another black pair. And then I just got these white pair because I was literally just selling. I really don't like these, but they just probably have to do if I don't find nothing else. And then for Kiara, hers are super cute. They like silver rhinestones. I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah. And then for another girl who's going, she got a bathing suit that matched this perfectly. So I texted her, I was like, hey girl, they had this. Do you want me to pick it up? And she was like, yeah. So yeah, that's what I got. Now I'm about to head to the post office to pick up this package and then back home. I'm tired, like, ugh. So yeah.
What's wrong with these people?
Hey y'all, good morning. Happy Friday. Right now I just tried to pull myself together. I still look a freaking mess. Oh, I'm gonna start doing my faux locks probably Sunday. I cannot wait because Girl, this is not working. But I'm waiting for my sister to come. We supposed to do some shopping today, so that's really exciting. So she was supposed to be in here, y'all. She said she was had to do a physical, but she said it was at 8:30. It's like 11 something. So I don't know, but I'm just waiting on her, just chilling. Nothing really. Last night you seen we went to Longhorn as a family. That's my second time going to Longhorn this freaking week. But whatever, whatever. We not even gonna go there. But yeah, I just really wanted to check in because I know that I can get caught up once she do get here and forget to vlog. So just wanted to check in, say good morning, and yeah, I will see y'all if she ever gets here. Uh-oh, sorry. Oh my god. Hey y'all. Y'all haven't seen me in a whole bunch of hours. I took that freaking bun off because it be too much tension. It just be hurting. So I'm just wearing this little beanie because it's actually pretty cold outside. There's Dion.
What up? What's up, y'all?
Why you putting those headphones on?
I didn't put them on.
We actually supposed to be going on a date tonight, but why are you doing that? Stop. We
Yeah,
this
that's pretty bouncy.
this supposed to be a date, but neither one of us dressed up. So
Hey, we ain't know my bed was that jumpy.
yeah, I need to put some lip gloss on. But we're going to a place called Crafty Crab. It's called Crafty Crab. It's like a seafood boil place. I just really like their oysters, and I'm gonna get fried shrimp and stuff. So yeah, we'll just see y'all when we get there. Good morning, y'all. I just want to start off by saying I can explain. I'm sitting here having to hold my freaking thing in my car because it keep falling. So I guess I need another one. But anyways, that's besides the point. Y'all, this week has been so hectic. I have not uploaded no videos at all. And I haven't even uploaded the weekly vlog, which I had every intent on uploading a weekly vlog if I didn't upload nothing else. But yesterday was crazy. The person who was supposed to do Kiara hair stood her up, so I ended up having to do her hair, and that kind of took up most of the day. Once I got back home, I had to cook and then start on my hair, which I still have to perfect somewhat. So it's just been a lot going on, and then all week I've been like busy doing hair, like busy, busy. And then y'all know I'm going on a trip this week, so it's just been so so much going on. But right now I'm finna start a new vlog because I am on the way to go get a wax. I'm preparing for my trip. So this will be put in last week's vlog, which I am uploading today. Today is Monday. So y'all will get this vlog today. And yeah, I just wanted to come tell y'all it's just been a hectic week. Like, this week has been crazy. I feel like my life has just been moving so freaking fast. Like, I can't even keep up. Like I said, hopefully things fall back in order and my life slow down a little bit because I'm not used to all that. But right now, like I said, I'm headed to the wax appointment, finna get the wax, and yeah, sorry about no uploads. I am going to do better this week. We're going to get a pack with me. You're going to get the vlog that I'm finna start, and then y'all know I'm going to be vlogging on my trip, so it's going to be lit. Yeah, sorry. I don't know why I keep saying I look a freaking mess. But yeah, I gotta go because I'm kind of running late. So I will see y'all in my next vlog. Bye.